On the white sands and blue waters of Wadigo's beach, Byron Bay, stands a contemporary home that is calm yet full of character. Inspired by a pair of Brahminy kites that nest nearby, the design takes us on a journey into the harmony between architecture and wildlife. The Brahminy house shows how modern tropical architecture can be honest and conscious. By using local materials and natural cross-ventilation, the home is not only comfortable, but also environmentally friendly. Materials such as spotted gum and terracotta are used with great feeling, creating a warm, natural, and earthy feel. Every element of the home feels like an extension of the surrounding landscape, as if the house wasn't built on the land, but grew out of it. The spaces are open, blurring the lines between inside and out. Air flows freely, sunlight enters without obstruction, and the sound of the waves seems to be part of the house itself. Here's some inspiration for those of you who want to build a modern tropical home. Use earthy materials, like wood and burnt clay. Design spaces that respond to the environment, not against it. And create an unbroken connection between humans and nature. Brahminy House is more than just a place to live. It is the embodiment of living in harmony with nature. A lesson in how beauty can be born from simplicity and the courage to listen to the landscape.